I'm attorney Erica Dowd of Quattrini Law Group, here with another Legal Tip Tuesday. In June of 2024, the Social Security Administration released a new rule on the look-back period for work history. When counting your work credits for purposes of whether or not you qualify for benefits, they will still look at your entire work history. When deciding whether or not you can return to work you've done in the past, Social Security will now look back only 5 years in terms of what work is considered recent. Formerly, they would look at your last 15 years of work history to determine what work you would still remember how to do and be able to return to. With the new 5-year look-back period, Social Security is now limiting what work they will consider when deciding whether or not you are disabled. However, with this rule also comes a new work history report. The work history report is a form sent out by Social Security immediately after you first apply for benefits. The form tells Social Security what jobs you've had, how much you performed them, how many hours per week, how many hours per day, and what tasks you performed in that job. The former form gave you only one short page with very limited options for how to explain your work. The new form gives you multiple pages per job and allows you to give much more detail about the type of work you performed and the type of tasks you did in that work. I still have the same rule for my clients when filling out this form as the old one, though. Fill out the form based on what you did during a month of work. The heaviest thing you would lift in an average month is still what goes on the form, and the limitations you now have should be considered based on a bad day with your symptoms. Not the worst day that you will ever have, but what does a bad day look like for you? I'm Erica Dowd, and this has been Legal Tip Tuesday.